Hello, friends! If you've ever wondered what a GPU is and why everyone talks about it, you're in the right place. Today, I'll explain it to you in the simplest way. So, what exactly is a GPU? GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit. It's like the brain of your computer's graphics. Imagine you're reading a book. Your eyes are like the CPU, processing all the text and images on the page. But if the pictures are very detailed, you'll need a magnifying glass to see all the details. That magnifying glass is your GPU. It helps your computer handle complex images and videos easily. Now, why do you need a GPU? If you like playing video games, watching high-definition videos, or doing graphic design work, the GPU is your best friend. It reduces the load on your CPU, allowing your computer to run smoothly without lag. Think of your computer as a restaurant. The CPU is like the head chef, managing all the orders and ensuring everything runs smoothly. But when too many orders come in, the chef gets overwhelmed. That's when the GPU comes in. It's like an extra chef who specializes in making beautiful and intricate desserts. The GPU handles complex tasks, allowing the head chef to focus on other orders. Now you might be wondering, do I really need a GPU? If you're just browsing the web or typing documents, your CPU can handle that easily. But if you're into gaming, video editing, or any work that involves a lot of graphics, a good GPU can make a big difference. One more thing, you might have heard of brands like nvidia and AMD. These companies make some of the best GPUs. Choosing a GPU depends on your needs and budget, but both brands offer great options for beginners and pros. So, next time you hear someone talking about GPUs, you'll know they're talking about the powerhouse in your computer that makes all those beautiful pictures possible. And remember, whether you're a gamer, a designer, or just someone who loves smooth videos, a GPU is a good investment. That's all for today. If you need any type of GPU servers or cloud, YouStable offers a wide range of GPU servers at affordable prices. Whether it's shared hosting or high-end GPU hosting, YouStable can offer all your enterprise-level hosting needs.